Hello everyone, my name is Hairatunisa. This video here two sections. First, I would like to convene about software and operating system. Software term, also called software, it's a collection of commands that are executed by computer machine in carrying out their work. This software is a record for the computer machine to store commands, as well as document and other archive. Software function identifies the program, organizes program applications so that the working procedure of all computer devices can be controlled, organized, and make work more efficient. In order for humans to interact with the software, an interface is required, namely a graphical user interface or GUI. What is graphical user interface GUI? GUI controls data entry and makes information appear on the screen, making it easier for humans to give commands to the software. What is the operating system? An operating system is system software that manage computer hardware, software research, provides common services for computer program. Time-sharing operating system schedule tasks for efficient use of the system and may also include accounting software for cost allocation of processor time, mass storage, printing, and other research. Is there more than one type of operating system? Number one, single user, single task. Number two, multi-user, multitask. Number three, multi-user, single tasking. And number four, single user, multitasking. Number one, single user, single task. This type manage the computer so that one user can effectively do one thing at a time. Example, does this operating system. Number two, multi-user, multitask. Allows two or more users to run program at the same time. Some operating systems permit hundreds or even thousands of concurrent users. Example, Unix, Linux, FreeBSD, Sun Solaris, Unix derived SO or Windows. Number 3, multi-user single tasking. One computer can be used by many users, but each user can only run one program application at a time. Example, custom Linux. And number 4, single user multitasking. This is the type of operating system most desktop and laptop desktop GUI view. Microsoft Windows and Apple's Mac OS are both examples of operating system that will let a single user have several programs in operation at the same time. For example, Windows, Mac OS, etc. In this section, I would like to tell about malicious software. What is malicious software? Maybe one day your computer never runs unusually, starting for the length of loading up to the registry crash. Maybe one day your computer never runs unusually, starting for the length of loading up to the registry crash. Malicious software is an application program that function to damage or harming the victim's computer. Bacteria program that consume system research by replicating itself. The bacteria doesn't explicitly damage the file. The purpose of this program is only one that replicates itself. A simple bacteria program can only execute two copies of itself simultaneously on a multi-programming system or create two new files. Is copying the program fields of the bacteria, but copying are then copied twice and so on. Logic bomb. A logic bomb is malicious code hidden in legitimate software and will activate when certain logical conditions are met. Example of condition for triggering a logic bomb are the presence or absence of certain files, certain days of weeks or dates, or user running certain application. Once triggered, the bomb changes or deletes the data or the entire file, causing the engine to stop or to do other damage. Trapdoor. The secret undocumented entry point in one program to grant access without normal authentication method. Um, Trapdoor has been used correctly for many years by programmers to search for program error. Debugging and testing is usually in program when developed. Application for program that have authentication procedure are all set up or require the user to enter different values to run the application. Then debugging will be long if it has to go through those procedures to debug this type of program. The developer creates special authority or eliminates the need for setup and authentication. Trapdoor is a code that accepts a special input line or is triggered by running a specific user ID or a certain row of crimes. The trapdoor becomes a threat when malicious programmer use it to obtain unauthorized penkesan. Trojan horse. A undocumented secret routine is embedded in a useful program. Useful program contain hidden code that when executed performs an undesirable function. Program execution shows in this secret routine execution. Virus. Code embedded in a program that causes copying itself to be inserted into one or more other program by modifying those program. Modification is done by inserting a copy of a virus program that can infect other program other than just Progressy. The virus usually performs undesirable functions. Inside a computer virus, there is an instruction code that can make a perfect copy of itself. Problems caused by virus are virus often damage computer system, such as deleting file, this partition, or this scrap program. Worm, a program that can replicate itself and send copies from computer to computer over a network connection. Upon arrival, the worm is enabled to replicate and reprogram in addition to propagation only. The worm usually perform undesirable function. Network worms use network connection to spread from system to system. Once active in a system, a network worm can act like a virus or bacteria or pass a Trojan horse program or perform a number of annoying or destructive actions. Thank you.